guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna be showing you packing up some Happy Mail. This tissue paper, they come in like different patterns like stripes and polka dots, is from Walmart. And then crinkle paper is from Dollar Tree, and then this gold crinkle paper is from Tuesday Morning. And these little balls are from Hobby Lobby in the Christmas section. They're called Glitter Pebbles. So just sticking some of that on there. Then I have this little flip book. I did do a flip through video on this, so I will link that down below. I hope this fits in this box because it's shallow. Now that I'm looking at everything, we're gonna make this work, you guys. Nope, that's not gonna fit. These are just some, oh no, the spider fell off. I'm gonna have to fix that. Okay, so that goes in there. Then this, I made a little, whatchamacallit, like a little canvas bag. It says Resting Witch Face in gold glitter. I made this with my Silhouette Cameo. Shove that on the bottom. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Because nothing fit in here, I'm gonna just have all of my little embellishments in here, staggered. This little guy, a little bow with a skeleton, says Binks, one of my rosettes that I was making. I need something thinner over there than this, or just little handmade circle embellishments. Did one of my embellishments with some trim right there. Some sequins mixes. Let's see, you guys, I don't know how this is going to fit. I'm going to have to do a different box. Let's put that right there. And some of my wire words. And this envelope, let's see here. I love all the like contrasting black and white with like pops of orange or purple. Then I did these embellishments. I just stapled several ephemera with some trim. The shaker bits in there, my rosettes. Okay, where is this? You know what, I should stick this in last since I have to do some repairs. Like this. Probably gonna have to go in like that. Then these little guys with the big giant tool bow, my tombstone tags. I'll show you guys a process video of those. Let's see here. I shove him in there. It's our Hallowversary. So this is a die in here. Okay, I might get this all in here, you guys, I think. Then this little package, and it says Hocus Pocus. That die, that tag is from Joann's this year. Okay, I think if I shove this stuff, it'll totally... Oh wait, maybe not this box. Let's see, right here. Oh, no, it will. It'll totally shut if I shove it. And then this guy could go like... right here. I'll stick some crinkle paper on there. So it fit. I didn't have to switch out the box. Alright guys, I will catch you on the next video, and I'm going to cover this up with some tissue paper and more crinkle shred stuff just to make it extra festive. Alright, bye guys. Catch you on the next video.